Yo, what's up? It's Daisy. We just gotta do a little bit of typing today and a little bit more of the coding, a little bit of that medical chart validator thingy I'm trying to finish on Free Code Camp. I'm probably not gonna get all the way through it today because I gotta make this one short again. I didn't stay up too late. Well, I might end up having to stay up late, but I'm starting this early to kind of get it taken care of. So I don't know. I might, there's going to be another short one, which I told myself I wouldn't do, but I am at least showing up every day, and that's mostly what matters. But soon I'm still fixing habits. Anyway, so we're going to do a tiny bit of typing and a little bit of that coding, and I'm going to hop off and make this one another short one. And once again, I'm trying to experiment with, I'm not leaning into my mic because my mic kind of sits on my desk, so I just crank up the gain a lot, and I'm going to basically be talking from far away. Hopefully it doesn't sound bad. It seems like it sounds okay when I haven't really rewatched my videos recently. I've just been doing a lot of other stuff. But yeah, let's see. So let's get into the typing. I think I'm just going to do these home row things here. Yeah, let me make sure everything's looking good. So yeah, it's looking good, kind of. Okay, top row, left hand. All right. Hold J. Okay. We are at, oh boy, off to a fantastic start. I think we're doing great though. We are at a, oh boy. Okay, let's try this again. I'm gonna try not to go too fast. Great. Oh no. Okay, this is not good. All right. We are at a great ease. Boy, what is happening? This is not good. I really gotta do more of this typing practice because things are not looking great. But I just don't give myself enough time to. I keep trying to do it like during the time that I'm trying to reserve for coding. So anyway, it is best to go slowly and have a bad word per minute than to make mistakes. Because worse than going slow is having mistakes, is ingraining habits. So it also could be because I'm like talking and I'm still not at the point where I can talk very well while typing. T-A-S-T-A-R-E-A-T-R-E. All right. Okay, perfect score. I think I'll type for 5 days in a row. Next goal, 14 days. I like how it told me to drink some water. Like after 5 days of doing this. Oh, no, wait. I wanted to redo this. Wait a second. I just realized there's little like blue badge thingies. Oh, so the ones where they teach you something, there's no badges, but they've got stars and they've got badges. Oh, and this one where I played with the top 6 keys has a little badge, but this one, even though it has 5 stars, it doesn't have a badge thing. So that kind of indicates, see these ones with the unpacking the box with the checks, that's just a little teaching thing, so they don't give you 5 stars, and these are just little lessons, so they just give you a check. But it looks like all these ones with 5 stars can have a little badge, and this one is the only one I've not gotten a badge on. I'll go back and do that really quick. Okay. Oh, no, this is exactly what I wanted not to do. Okay, left hand. One more time. Can't get too caught up on this, though. E-A-T-R-E-A-T-E-A-S. I almost hit R instead of T. I keep on wanting to hit R. And the G is not coming to me naturally either. That took me a second. Alright. Alright, what's my WPM this time? 29's not terrible. Okay, we'll do this other one, and then I'm gonna try to get the perfect score on the ninja jumping game. Okay. Why? Oh, man. Sheesh. It just does not come naturally. Y-O-U-L-E-I-O-U-E-I-O-U-I. Lol. Oh boy. I think maybe I am being a bit of a perfectionist in terms of the speed because you really don't need, like, later on there's a bunch of exercises to like get better at speed. So I think it's not necessary for me to perfect it now, but I am going to try to perfect this top row one again. Okay, H-U-E-A-D. Yeah. Okay, once again. Okay. D, G, S, F, E, O. Oh, man. How frustrating. That time I feel like I did okay, but I didn't get a perfect score. I missed the one thing. Alright. Honestly, later on in the course I could probably come back to this and it would be a piece of cake. So I am probably just wasting my time doing this because I should just move on. A-L-Q-K-I-Y-O-H-P-S-K-W. Alright, that was okay, right? Did I get my dang gem thingy? 1700. Is that enough? No. Okay, yeah, I got the badge. Cool. Oh no, I didn't. Oh, that was the wrong one. Okay, one more, and then I'm absolutely not doing it, even if I mess up this time. Because I just need to move on. Okay, yeah, I'm done. Alright, I'm just gonna do this silly, this game. Oh wait, no, that's what I'm not allowed to do. Okay, type words as they appear. A-I-R-I-S-L-I-K-E T-H-I-S. Oh. Oh boy, okay, I just forgot where O was. How extremely frustrating. A-I-R-I-S T-H-I-S-I-S L-O-T-L-I-K-E T-H-E E D G E W E. Okay. Perfecto. All right, we're doing great. That's my recording. How are we looking? Cool. Everything looks good. That was amazing. I did amazing. I'm a freaking champion. Okay, now, I don't know if we should continue with this, because now the rest of this is the bottom row. I mean, how long does this take me in general? No, okay, I don't have time. I gotta get to the free code camp thing, because one way or another, we gotta do this freaking... Oh, wait, what was the... I missed it. What was the different one? Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Theodore Roosevelt. Okay, great. We love a good old TDR quote. He's a cool guy. He's a bro. All right. Oh, no, wait. This was where we... Where were we? We were at, like, 9. Yeah, we created this validate... Whatever, I'm gonna do the whole validate thing again. Okay, def validate data. And the more I do this, the coding part, the more I really want to go and get better at the typing thing. Because it's like frustrating having to deal with it. And with single parameter data. It's a list, so validate do is... Oh man. Sequence. Assign it a call to is instance data. Oh man, it's like painfully obvious, like everything that's not the top row and middle row I'm so terrible at. Hey man, I really need to do the typing thing on my own time. Yeah. List. Double. Okay, actually I am in a hurry today. I'm just gonna skip a part ahead to the part because I already did a lot of this. Nope, it wasn't this. Was it 13? Oh yeah, we checked if it like worked. 15. Nope. 17. Okay, and now we're creating the set. And if we're still having trouble, I'm gonna have to redo all of this again. I'm gonna do it as many times as I have to. Set is an unordered collection of unique elements. You're going to use a set to ensure that each dictionary does not contain extra or misspelled keys. Okay, so the variable is named key set equals set constructor. And then we're going to do it with a list. So we'll construct a set of the list. Oh boy. Okay, list. Patient ID. Age. Gender. Diagnosis. Edit. Medications. Last visit ID. Yeah, that should be good. Okay, so inside your for loop after the first if argument, could an if statement that runs when the set of keys from the current dictionary is different from key set. If set dictionary, should be dictionary, right? Or would it be set data? For index dictionary and enumerate data. If not, is instance dictionary. Okay, so set dictionary. If set dictionary is not equal to key set, within the new if statement, print invalid format dictionary at position index as missing and or invalid keys. I'm using my right thumb for the spacebar more. That's a good... I'm glad I've built that habit, even though the left thumb doing it didn't necessarily have a huge effect on me, but I heard that it's best to use your dominant thumb, so that's good. And then we need a period. And set invalid to true. Oh, is invalid. Okay. This statement should run when set dictionary dot keys. You know, actually, I thought about doing that, but I thought that dictionaries on its own defaulted to doing the dot keys thing. Invalid. What did I do wrong this time? Oh, I didn't make it an F string. I need to put an F there. Oh boy, what did I do now? If set dictionary keys is not equal to key set, print F invalid format. I didn't spell anything wrong. Dictionary at position index has missing and or invalid keys. I'm not missing the period. Did I spell anything wrong? Dictionary. Would I do like dictionary, like dot data or something? Let's see. See, it works for this part. Expected dictionary at position index. It should be replaced by it for the current. Yeah, and dictionary and index are the iterating variables for this for loop. And it says I'm spelling it correctly. You should print invalid format, dictionary at position index. Has missing and or invalid keys. This better be something worth it. Like if it's just some goofy nonsense. Because if this is... Like I remember this was the first time that I had trouble with the set dictionary.keys doesn't equal key set. But now it's telling me that's fine. My issue is what I'm printing. Should be replaced by dictionary and set ends and index at the current location. Okay, whatever. I'm going to check step 19. Literally, it's exactly like what I typed. The only difference is they did this weird indentation thingy, or this weird format that I don't. If set dictionary.keys doesn't equal key set, print f invalid format dictionary at position index has missing and or invalid keys. Is invalid equals true. Oh, today has been frustrating. Man, a lot of stuff was going on today, but... Oy. This is just so goofy. I'm doing it again. I'm literally gonna type in that exact thing. Oh yeah, see, it saved what I did. Print f. Is it gonna let me do it if I do this? No, yeah, it's saying I'm doing it wrong. I'm literally invalid format. Dictionary at position index has missing and or invalid keys. I don't get it. Am I like spelling something wrong? Print f. Wait a second. Yeah, okay, it's indented right. Okay, now I've got them set up for so they're almost right next to each other. Invalid format, colon, f invalid format, colon. Dictionary at position index Has missing and or invalid keys. Has missing and or invalid keys. What am I doing? Like, what is incorrect? Literally nothing is invalid equals true. Is invalid. Is it because this is wrong? They're spelled exactly the same. We both got the F. Has missing and or invalid keys. Has missing. You should print invalid format. Dictionary and position index has missing and or invalid keys, where dictionary and index should be replaced by the dictionary and index at the current iteration. There's literally what could I possibly be missing? This literally, it looks like there's nothing wrong with it at all. They're the same. This has got to be like, this is a glitch, right? Like because it didn't mess up last time. I managed to get past this last time, but now it's just not letting me. What could it possibly be? Invalid format, dictionary, at format indexes, missing and or invalid keys. It's spelled the same. I'm not missing a period. I'm not missing a colon. I'm not, like, did I use the wrong kind of curly brace? Is that possible? Dictionary is spelled correctly. The I is capitalized. Every single thing is where it needs to be. It's all... Goodness gracious. You should print. I am. I'm printing exactly that. It's completely... Here's the... This is the correct... This is the answer. This is what I'm supposed to type. This is what I'm typing. It's the same. Okay, hold on. I'm literally going to copy paste it. Okay. Copy. Paste. Why does it always paste twice? Oh, that sounds funny. What? But what did I do wrong before? What did I do wrong? Why did copying and pasting it work? There was nothing wrong. There wasn't anything wrong. I used the curly braces. I spelled every single letter right. Did I put 2 spaces at some point and I didn't realize? I just, oh my god, I don't have time for this. I gotta go to bed soon. It's like 39 in the morning. It's 0:39. Check if everything's working correctly. Try to comment out the age key from the first thingy. I cannot believe. Okay, there we go. Yeah. It's missing or invalid keys. I gotta sneeze 1 sec. Dang, I muted my mic and the sneeze left my body. It snuck away. Okay, I'm very frustrated that happened. Oh. Alright. Give money to Free Code Camp. They're great. I'm just gonna skip ahead really quick with this tab. Might after invalid records, create a for loop to iterate over it after for each invalid record, print unexpected format, key value at position index. You know, since that messed up so badly, now I feel like I might be doing nothing wrong for this part and it's screwing up. Okay, if you pass invalid data, otherwise an abjure error, especially if you're trying to verify by mod. After setting is invalid for true. Use continue keyword to skip to the next iteration in both your if statements. Okay, wait, let me go to 44. I'm just going to reset this. Okay. For right after the invalid records variable, create a for loop to iterate over it. Key value opposition index. For index key value in enumerate invalid records. Yeah, I'm going to try doing it like this time, see if this works. Print F unexpected format. Alright, I forgot I need double quotes for this, because I have to single quote later. Unexpected format key say val, just so I can repeat exactly what's in the thing. Key val at position index key val index. Okay. Period. Then set is invalid to true. Is invalid equals true. Oh, I didn't end this quote. Here we go. There's a for loop that iterates over invalid records. It does. Maybe invalid records is already enumerated. So it can just be like user printed unexpected format key value key format key val at position index, where key value should be replaced by the current key value in index. You see, I'm sort of thinking that, like, I really wish I could see what the correct version looks like, because I just figured out that this sometimes like glitches and just does it wrong. Get a hint. Okay, and looks like no one. Yep. Oh boy. Okay. look up Python asterisk asterisk operator. The variable positional parameter. The asterisk operator is used in Python with more than one for numeric types, multiplication, or it is used as exponentiation for sequences as a string list and tuple. It's a repetition operator. Check the difference. Collect all the keyword arguments in a dictionary. So define function star a and double star kw. Function 1, 2. Print a, print kw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a equals 2, b equals 3, c equals 5. So all keyword arguments. So this makes it a, 2, b, 3, c, 5. We also do this. Okay, that doesn't help me. So this double list dictionary thing, it's using the dictionary in index dictionary and enumerate data, and this is validate data. And then we're validating medical records, but we're not there yet. It's really frustrating to know, like I literally just did from that thing I was doing a second ago, step 19 and 18, just demonstrated that like sometimes it just absolutely messes up. Like that was completely ridiculous. Invalid format, dictionary and position, index as missing and or invalid keys. I typed in that word for word without a mistake at all. And it was saying I did it wrong. And then I'm going to do it one more time. Set dictionary dot keys does not equal key set print f invalid format dictionary at position index as missing and for invalid keys. And then is invalid equals true. Check. Oh, no. Check your code. I just can't at all figure out what I could have possibly done wrong the first time. I guess it does work. Okay, but here I am once again, step 44, for index key value in invalid records. But this is in the for loop of dictionary being enumerated, index dictionary. So maybe index dictionary dot items. Invalid records. What did we do this time? Cannot assign to a function call. Okay, I guess that makes sense. Index dictionary. But then what could I possibly do? Well, okay, let me try screwing with something. What would I do to screw with it? Do I do this? Okay. Should be replaced by the current index and thing in the loop. So for dictionary and invalid records. Why did it throw an error? Should I just say record? I'm going to say key val index again. Can I just do index? I already tried to index dictionary. Bro, I need to just ask for help with this. I'm like, this is making me sick and tired. I'm annoyed to all hell. Create a for loop. Each invalid record. Print unexpected format. Replace that with current v value. They clearly want me to do an f string. This just sucks because it's like the only one where I can't like see what's going on that's wrong. And that's like not, I don't know. I feel like the very last step should not have been like that. It's a list of keys that refer to invalid records in the current dictionary. You'll need to take the key from invalid records and look up the value in dictionary. So do I just not know the syntax for that? Okay, well, I've spent too much time on this. I gotta go. I'll figure this out later. This is really, I will probably have to redo all of this again after I finally solve it all. I'm gonna have to do the whole thing again just to like lock it down in my brain. But I really just need to figure out this very last thing. Anyway, again, thanks for indulging me. Thanks for joining me. Peace out. Peace and love. Bye-bye.